So we breathe into this moment of meditation, allowing ourselves to come apart for a while, to step away from the outer world and dive in to the inner sanctuary. That place where all life is living itself. That place where peace exists even in the midst of chaos. That space where love is not something we look for or get from someone. That space where love is what we are. So breath by breath, we dive in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As we lengthen the inhales and we deepen the exhales, we feel our bodies relax. We feel the mind become quiet. And we simply begin to notice, entering into a state of awareness, a state of allowing. We allow ourselves to feel the stillness. Just notice that. How still can I become? And can I, with my mind and my heart, get closer and closer and closer to that stillness? Breath by breath. Allowing peace to fill this moment. In the silence. Right where you are whole. No thing can change this reality. It is the truth of your being. Right where you are love. This cannot be added to or diminished. It is forever existent as the true nature of your being. Right where you are, there is full and complete access to peace. This peace has no opposite. It is not of the world. It needs no cause. Simply invitation to be aware of its presence. Namaste.